Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable live captions in your Microsoft Teams meetings. Now, a lot of the time, it's kind of hard to hear all the participants. This is where live captions help. So to turn it on, what you have to do is just go to your search bar and search for Microsoft Teams. Then from the best matches, you'll find Microsoft Teams. Just click on it to open it. And after that, from the left-hand navigation bar, just go to Meet, which is the meeting. From here, you can either create a meeting or join an existing one. And just click on Join to join. And after that, make sure your camera and microphone configurations are okay. After that, just click on Join Now. And after you have joined the meeting, just click on More Actions. Then just go to Language and Speech. From here, just click on Show Live Captions. This will enable the live captions for you. And there you go. The live captions has started. And basically now if anybody talks in the meeting, you'll get a caption of it. And basically that is how to turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams meetings. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.